Yo, 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 yo! Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today is Wednesday, bringing you another upload. The next couple videos is going to be making things on garlic bread. I might revisit some of my previous recipes, but it's never bad to go back and relook on things and redo them. So you get practice, and maybe you can alter them. So today we're gonna make meatballs on garlic bread. So in your area, if you can find garlic bread that's cheap, buy it, and you can make many creations. Like this one, you got for $2.50. This one the same, and I made stuff the other day. So we're gonna make meatballs on garlic bread with pizza cheese. So the next couple recipes I'll use this garlic bread, and I'll bring you other recipes. But for today, like I said, we'll work with the meatballs and the cheese. This is like really simple. Here's meatballs that I made with Rayo sauce the other day, and Angus beef meatballs. So the thing we're gonna do is we'll take this and we'll put it in the pan and get it warm. Then we'll take it out and we'll cut these meatballs in half, and we'll put it on the bread, and we'll take cheese and put it on top, and we can either put it back in the pan and let that melt, or we can throw it in the microwave. So these next couple videos are going to be short ones, and these recipes you can make like in 5 or 6 minutes. So let's get started. Alright, so we got that garlic bread cut in half, and like I said, if you can go to your local store or bakery, you could always find this already made. It saves a lot of steps. So place that down, and I'm only cooking for myself today, so I'm only gonna work with a small batch. So put your stove on medium, and like we always do, just keep turning it. And this is all your personal preference. Cook this as long as you want, depending on the color. If you want it a little mushy or you want it harder, just keep doing it. If you really want to, you can flip this over. So but for me, I'm going to keep this like a hard texture. But after that, then like I said, we have the meatballs and the pizza cheese. Really good for kids, really good for you. Like I said, with this, I'm only making it for myself. It's like basically for a snack, but you can like double or triple this. But be back in a minute. Alright, so for my personal preference, this won't take that much longer. You can see already that garlic in there, and you can see the color. So I'm only going to let this go another minute, then I'll turn the stove off, let it rest for a minute, and then I'll load it up with the meatballs and pizza cheese. And this is basically the garlic bread series. So I'll be bringing you the garlic bread series over the next couple uploads. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, you can see that. I got it to the color I want. And here's what's remaining in the pan. The garlic butter, it has parsley in there. The thing you could do is you could scoop that up and use it later, or use it as a dipping sauce. Or you can take other bread, put it in there. The pan is still really hot. I can feel the heat right here. And put other bread in there, and that'll soak it up, and then you can cut that bread into quarters and use it as a snack later or tomorrow. So the thing we're going to want to do is now take some of the sauce and just put sauce on both sides. A lot of Italians call this gravy, but here in Jersey we call it sauce. So do that until you got the sauce you want, and then we'll take these meatballs. And you can leave them whole if you want. It'd be pretty cool if you put whole meatballs on here and then the sauce. But the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these meatballs in half. Alright, so you can see that I have the sauce on there that I want. I already cut these meatballs in half. That's optional to do whatever you want. And just place meatballs on top of each slice. So just stick that on there. And do it on this other side. Alright, so we have the meatballs on there. Now take your pizza cheese or whatever you want and just sprinkle that on both sides. The thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this in the microwave. I found out that the microwave melts cheese pretty good. But if you want it, you can put it in a toaster oven or back in the pan. So just use your paper plate, load that back up, and then put it in the microwave 20 seconds at a time. Because you could always add time, you can't take it back. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there you have it. Meatball Parmesan on garlic bread. And you can make this in 5 or 6 minutes. Especially if you have the meatballs cooked up before. This also can be considered a leftover meal. But this is your garlic bread series. Recipe 1. I'm not sure how many recipes I'll bring you, but I'll bring you as many as I can. And it's fun to experiment with garlic bread. But you can see that I ended up putting it in the microwave for 50 seconds. So there's your upload. Great for kids. And it's great to also take leftover food and make recipes with it. But that's your meatball parmesan on garlic bread. So the best of both worlds. Thanks for visiting me on Wednesday. I'll see you Friday. Visit my Facebook page and my Instagram page. Talk to you soon. Peace. Dansoy, amateur cook.